Iran versus Israel, a comparative analysis of military strengths. On the verge of conflict. While Iran boasts a population 10 times larger than Israel, it is crucial to consider the current state of its military hardware. Due to the prolonged arms embargo imposed since 1979, much of Iran's equipment has become outdated, with tanks and planes operating on older technology. Recent events have heightened tensions between Iran and Israel, two long-standing adversaries in the Middle East. An overnight attack targeted a military base in central Iraq, housing both army troops and pro-Iranian paramilitaries. Reports of an Israeli military strike on Iran early Friday have further escalated the situation. The fallout from the Gaza conflict has greatly contributed to this fast-widening Middle East conflict. International concerns mount as Israel, the US, and European powers allege Iran to be nearing completion of nuclear weapons production to complement its already extensive conventional arms stockpile. However, Iran categorically denies these allegations, asserting that its current nuclear program remains strictly for peaceful, civilian purposes. To thoroughly assess the capabilities of the Iranian and Israeli forces, it is important to examine their respective strengths in terms of army, navy, and air force. As previously mentioned, Iran's population advantage does not necessarily translate into military superiority. Much of their equipment is outdated, and the arms embargo has significantly hindered their ability to modernize their military capabilities. This analysis sheds light on the intricate dynamics and discrepancies between the military strengths of Iran and Israel as they teeter on the brink of a potential conflict in the Middle East. Israel's military boasts a robust arsenal with a highly equipped personnel, including 12,000 dedicated to air defense. When it comes to tanks, submarines, and planes, Israel surpasses Iran with over 3,500 tanks compared to Iran's 1,613. In terms of anti-aircraft weaponry, Israel possesses more than double the number of Iran's military with 1,701 units compared to 200. Furthermore, the Israeli military possesses an impressive array of 10,484 armored personnel carriers, APCs, and 5,432 artillery pieces, which includes 620 mortars and 456 towed units, as reported by Reuters. On the naval front, Iran boasts a significantly larger fleet consisting of 23 submarines, 12 midget submarines, such as the Iranian-built Gdir and Nahang vessels designed for shallow waters in the Gulf, and 8 swimmer delivery vehicles. In contrast, the Israeli Navy operates 3 Dolphin tactical submarines, a variant of the German-made Type 212, along with 57 patrol and coastal combat ships, including 3 corvettes. The Israeli Air Force comprises a formidable fleet of 460 combat-capable aircraft, including 168 fighters such as the Boeing F-15A Eagle, F-15B, and F-16A Fighting Falcons. It also includes 227 ground attack fighters, 65 attack aircraft, 9 tanker transport aircraft, and 77 other transport aircraft. On the other hand, Iran is believed to possess around 336 combat-capable aircraft, including 108 ground attack aircraft, both of Iranian and Russian origin, with some reportedly acquired from Iraq. In terms of missile capabilities, Iran possesses an impressive arsenal of 1,000 strategic missiles capable of striking targets throughout the Gulf region and beyond. This includes domestically produced Shahab-3 Strategic Intermediate Range Ballistic Missiles (IRBM) with a reported range of up to 1,000 kilometers, as well as the Ghad-1 with an estimated range of 1,600 kilometers. Additionally, Iran possesses various variants of the Shahab-3 missile. The Sajjal-2 missile, reportedly known for its operational range of up to 2,400 kilometers, is controlled by the Revolutionary Guards, according to Reuters reports. In contrast, Israel is widely acknowledged for its nuclear capabilities and possession of intermediate-range ballistic missiles capable of reaching as far as South America or Oceania. It is estimated that Israel possesses around 200 nuclear warheads, deployable through intercontinental ballistic missiles (ICBMs). Despite holding a conventional military advantage, security experts have noted that Israel lacks a sufficient number of aircraft and specialized munitions required to significantly impact Tehran.